This is gonna be me when Thanksgiving is over. Hey y'all, it's All of Destiny, and in this video I'll be showing you all a quick glueless wig application to lay your lace with no glue and no gel.
That's just how I'm living. Money and pretty women, hotness and fitness. That's all I'm getting.
Hey y'all, it's All of Destiny. Well, I kind of don't feel like All of Destiny right now, so let's do my hair first. No, I'm kidding. This is me. Trust the process. Sometimes I like to do a low pony. It doesn't have to be the cutest. Okay, it's 10:27 p.m. So today's video is sponsored by WowAfrican. Kind of already took a sneak peek off camera. Ooh, we got 20 inches. I might have to change my shirt. My blouse, I should say. Oh, she looks good. I like. Our knots are already bleached for us. We do have the adjustable band, which is going to come in handy for us. I absolutely love adjustable bands. I just want to put this wig on. I don't want to glue it down. I don't want to use any glue, no gel. The adjustable straps in the back. So I'm going to take this strap and then I'm going to slide it in. I'm going to tuck it. It's like a adjustable little length in the back. So I moved it over twice like that, and I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Got that adjusted. We have our lace off in the back. We do still have our combs right here in the front. We don't have the middle comb anymore, but we do have the side combs. So that's definitely going to help us as well. What I want to explain for you all, because a lot of y'all have been asking me, like over on my Instagram and different things like that, like, we hear you say you're wearing a glueless wig. How? What do you mean? How do you do it? So this is going to kind of explain to you all. So I also have the freeze tamer. I always show it upside down. I also have the Fly Away Freeze Tamer by WowAfrican as well. And this is just like a little wax stick, a rat tail comb. Ooh, and the stocking cap. I'm not going to do the stocking cap method because I really don't got time for all of this. I really don't. The elastic band is going to come on the last strap right here. I like to take it and move it to the middle. That way it's not too tight, but it's not too loose. I feel like most people's concerns when they want to wear their wig glueless, it's like you assume that it'll come off. People just assume that it's not too secure, but it very much is. I know y'all see that. Girl, I read in the email that they've been adjusting the lace, baby, but this is giving we're about to be done in like 3 more minutes. Girl, this look good, and I'm feeling the middle part. Do y'all see that? Oh my God. Take the adjustable band. It doesn't have to go all the way down, but I just kind of pull it down like this, and I'm going to pull the comb. I'm holding the comb like this, and then I'm going to take the comb and slide and tuck, and then push it up. Girl, I'm so glad I don't have to pluck. Oh my God. I don't got time to pluck, and I don't even have to. So I'm going to take the Nairobi Rapid Shine Foaming Mousse, and I'm just going to put that right in the center right here and begin brushing that out. We moved back in August, and we're doing Thanksgiving here. Super excited. We got family coming over, and it's just really going to be a good time. I most likely will vlog. I haven't decided, though, with me kind of being as swamped as I am with my content, if I'm going to either hold that footage and maybe squeeze it into Vlogmas for you all, or if I want to just enjoy Thanksgiving and not vlog. I don't know yet. Brush that right into the hairline and brush it back. I know what I forgot to do. Let me slow down because I haven't worn a wig in like a whole month. The edge tamer, the new Black Panther Strong edge tamer that I've been trying. Y'all know I'm like obsessed with the Even New York one. But I like this one. I was like, ooh, new. Let me try it. I'm such a if it's not broke, don't fix it type of person. So I tend to just stick to that one. So I'm just going to brush my hair back. I know what I need. That's what's missing. Hold on. I'm going to take my 𝐔𝐧𝐝𝐵E Bodyfied hairspray. This isn't a permanent hold like if you used a actual lace glue or anything. I kind of use this as a temporary method for me day by day. That way if I want to take it off each night, I can. I decided that I kind of did not need the stocking cap. Now it's doing what I needed to do, minus the stocking cap. So I'm going to reposition everything, and I'm just going to part the hair off by my temples. And also I want to give you all a little bit more of the specs on this hair. So Body Wave Human Virgin wig, and it is 20 inches. The density is 150%. I love the fact that I have like lots of parting space. I did choose to do a middle part, but it is a 13 by 6 inch frontal, so we got lots of parting space, baby. Okay, I'm all over the place. Like, I'm not used to having to run all the way downstairs to get something. Oh, that's cute. Oh my god, that's cute. I love a good updo on me. And with this hair, girl, let me finish. But by the time you all see this, it will be Thanksgiving Day. I hope that you all have a beautiful Thanksgiving, either with your family, or I know a lot of people do Friendsgiving. So if you're doing Friendsgiving, whatever you all decide to do or to not do on Thanksgiving, I hope that you all have a beautiful and lovely time. I don't want to do too much with the baby hair, so I'm gonna pick and choose. And then once you cut them, just kind of swoop it as if it was your own hair. Honestly, a middle part is the best way to kind of fake it. You didn't hear that from me though. So really, I feel like the perfect spot for baby hair is right at the temple, or just kind of right over the brow. For symmetry, the foaming mousse, put a little bit of that on there. Girl, ooh, take your pinky, lay it and swoop it. Lay and swoop. Lay and swoop. Anything that you want to go back, kind of brush it back like that. I like to just hold it just to make sure the lace doesn't move. Since I'm using the holding spray to kind of lay the lace, it kind of shapes it to make it go like this without it being glued down. Like I can still take this off tonight if I want to, and the baby hairs will still kind of be molded into place for me to kind of sit it on my head and basically just be ready. I look good in this pink. It's very much giving like a soft little look. I could go meet somebody mama looking like this for Thanksgiving. Like I'm basically ready. We basically ready. Yes, pass me the turkey, please. For the baby hair, that's all that I want to do. I went downstairs to find my scarf. Could not find it, so I'm gonna just use this cute little headband. Boom. Okay, so I'm taking this concealer by one of my subscribers. It's called Shades of Tea. It's kind of rubbed off now, but the shade that they sent me is Jasmine Tea, and when I say this matches me perfectly. And pop it right in the center on the part. To avoid doing too much, I'm just gonna leave it like that without doing any plucking. Hello, voiceover Destiny here. So I'm going to take that same concealer and just continue sweeping it in the parting space, and then I'm going to go ahead and comb that front section so that the holding spray isn't making it lay too flat and connect it to my scalp. And then I'm going to take my NuMe wand. There isn't a temperature dial, it's only an on and off switch, so I'm just going to use that and kind of do the curls towards my face. My sister Boom, aka 𝐷𝐸, told me that if you roll your curls coming towards your face instead of going in a backwards direction, that it kind of gives you just like this more cute look, and it's more of a face framing type of look. So I'm actually going to curl a majority of my curls going to the front, and then I'm just going to kind of sit back in my chair, relax, and just go ahead and finish curling my hair. To frame the face a bit more, I did go ahead and kind of use a razor just to trim at that front piece, but none of the rest of the hair was cut. And I'm just really excited. I hadn't really just sat down, especially in the film room, and just like did my hair, zoned out, got all glam and cute. So I was really enjoying this. And don't run your fingers through the curls until they're all the way cool. So to do the other side, I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick little magic trick. I'm gonna work on it, y'all. I'm gonna get it right one day. But basically, I'm gonna go ahead and trim that front section and then curl it towards my face again to get that same framed face layered type of look. Ooh, I'm excited. Did I tell y'all I went to go and see Clifford, the movie, because I was obsessed with watching Clifford after school as a kid, growing up on WKNO. I went to see it in the theaters, absolutely loved it. There was one thing that they didn't do that I was kind of disappointed about. I don't know if it would be a spoiler if I told you all, so I won't say it. If you think you know what I'm talking about, if you saw it, comment and let me know. Okay, let's see what we got, y'all. Okay, so before I brush the curls out, this is what I have. I'm just gonna run my hands through it. I'm so excited. I mean, we've hosted Thanksgiving before, but this is gonna be the first time that we're hosting Thanksgiving here. We've been spending like so much time getting everything ready and together. Oh, I like the hair. Oh my god. It probably doesn't look like much, but I can tell that I cut that small bit that I cut in the front because it's making it do that, which I love. This hair is so soft. It was super easy to curl too. Love it. Baby, oh my God. Come on, Thanksgiving slay. This is why I love WowAfrican. They never fail me, like ever. To save this look overnight, basically, take about 6 flexi rods and put it in there and you'll be good to go. Come on, hair. Oh, we ready for Thanksgiving. Oh. Yeah, I haven't worn a wig in like a month, so I'm feeling like me. I'm feeling like allofdestiny. Like, this is her. It's very much giving what it needs to give. Special thank you to WowAfrican for sponsoring today's video. And they are having a Black Friday sale, so if you all love this wig or if you just want to check out their website, right now is definitely the time to do that. So the coupon code is Destiny15. That way you all can save money on your purchase with WowAfrican.com. Be sure to use the links in my description box when you all want to shop this hair or any hair from WowAfrican. Y'all, I'm feeling this. It's the pink for me, the matching background. I feel like we haven't really sat down and even just filmed in the film room. Like, this is our first time because I've been trying to like catch up on the moving vlogs. And it's the fact that I'm still kind of behind on the moving vlogs a little bit. I think I may have one more big dump before Vlogmas starts, just to dump it all out so that I can have it off of my SD card. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know if y'all wouldn't mind me squeezing it in Vlogmas here and there. Y'all probably wouldn't want that, never mind. But listen, this her. I'm just running my mouth because I'm like excited to talk to y'all right now. This looks good. I'm gonna put my flexi rods in it to make sure that it lasts me for Thanksgiving. I'm gonna beat my face again this same way. And since I'm just sitting down filming, I actually might wear this top so I can take a picture. I love it. Oh my God, WowAfrican. We got the undetectable lace. We got the clean bleach knots. We got the clean hairline. Did you see me pick up tweezers in this video? You did not. Did you see me use bleach in this video? You did not. Ooh, girl, we ready. Ooh. Yeah, I'm feeling this. Oh my God. It's this right here for me. And there you have it, folks. That is how I did my hair. Got it laid, okay? Slayed, okay? Period. So guys, that is pretty much it for this video. Something quick and cute for the holiday season. I hope you all enjoyed it. Again, special thank you to WowAfrican for sponsoring today's video. And we'll have all of the links, coupon codes, everything that you may want to know. I promise I got you in the description box down below. And as always, I thank you all so much for watching. Bye.
I let my thoughts run wild when I'm thinking of you. You say you on the way. I said, baby, let's go. Got a different kind of smile when you walking in.
So, this is gonna be me when Thanksgiving is over. The holding spray basically holds the lace down, but it doesn't really glue it to your scalp, so you can take it off immediately that same night if you would like.
Lord, this flower bomb, fly. She take me high. I can teach you all the signs of love. Hey baby, say what your name is. You looking down today. How can I change this? 'Cause you're far too beautiful